Hey guys, it's Mike from Just Car People Things. If you've ever done something in your garage you're so excited about, you have to shoot a video about it, hit that like and subscribe button. Installed a auto retracting hose reel here. Very excited about it. Put it on a swivel, got it all plumbed up to our new to us sink here, our commercial style sink rather than our little laundry tub. And it is a beautiful, beautiful day here in the Midwest. An unseasonably nice day for February in the Midwest, and probably about a balmy 55 degrees. So I got a little light jacket on. I got my detailing cart, and now that I've got the retracting hose reel out here, I can get my stuff out to wash the car. So that's a very exciting moment here. We're gonna go through our traditional wash here with the vehicle. Our GX is one of our favorite vehicles in the fleet. 117,000 miles on it, 2015, and it has never had a mechanical issue other than we seized a brake caliper on it, which was probably more my own negligence than anyone else's in not changing the brakes fast enough. But these things are super rock solid. I cannot recommend them enough as cars, and they are awesome. We'll do a little drive and review on it at some point, but just wanted to share I got that hose reel in. I don't have to fight with that ugly old black hose anymore. I can just wheel it right out here to the curb, and we are then good to go. So just to run through a quick wash process, we don't have to do a full wash video and spend 40 minutes or so, 35 minutes or so with a quick maintenance wash, but we do have a little bit of Chemical Guys Honeydew Snow Foam in our foam cannon. This is probably actually left over from another wash. It's probably enough to maybe do like one quick lap around the car. That's plenty. This is a maintenance wash. It's not that dirty. We got a little Chemical Guys VRP. I use this on the dash and everything else. It is very shiny. If you're not into really high shine, I'd probably skip this guy. It's a new attempt for me. I saw it on sale and I gave it a shot. One thing I do like to include this time of year, 303 salt neutralizing boost wash. And you basically just take about an ounce of that and dump it into your wash bucket, and that helps chemically kill the salt from rusting away your car. We got Chemical Guys, or excuse me, Meguiar's wheel cleaner diluted down in here like 4-to-1. I think it's Meguiar's. And we got some other odds and ends. We have a ceramic spray from Mother's for post-wash. Old school tire shine. It works. It's okay. Price was right. And then we have some just quick detailer. If you run into something, you know, maybe you've got some bird droppings, or maybe you want to use this as a drying aid, which I frequently use it for. This is a great product for that. We've got a bunch of microfibers in the bucket, and then we got our wheel bucket here in front. So one of the things I like to do is just wheel this baby around as we go around the car to wash it, and that makes it super easy. So this was actually a gift from my dad. He saw me out here detailing, lugging all these buckets and these individual pieces around, and I'm making like 10 trips in and out of the garage, and he said, hey, why don't I just get you a bucket and we'll go from there, or a cart. And so this was kind of a cool item I got for Christmas this year, and I've gotten a ton of use out of it. For around $100, I think it's a really great product that everyone should have in their garage. So with that, I'm going to get to the wash here. We can let you guys go. This is just a little quick short video to talk a little bit about some of the kit we're using. We've got a Ryobi pressure washer. I had this for years. You can tell by the look of it. The hose actually wore out to the point that it cracked and burst. So I ended up getting a new hose and a different hose gun that's a little bit shorter, a little bit easier to use, a little more less unwieldy than having a big long hose out there, a long wand out there on it. But that said, we're gonna get to the wash. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for liking and subscribing. I always love this because it's getting near rush hour and we live on a busier road, so I always get to car watch too while I'm washing. So with that, cheers guys, have a good evening. Hope you can get out and enjoy this unseasonably warm weather, and you know, get a little bit of maybe a tan while you're out washing a car in February, which just never happens. So cheers.